Hey guys, Huxgill here. Long time no see. Welcome back to my video. I was busy and didn't have time to play, but I'm glad to be back. Today, I'm going to open all of my chests. As you can see, I already have magical chests, mega lightning chests, and royal war chest is not legendary chest, and another royal war chest. So I already have all of the champion here, which is Skeleton King, and then Golden Knight, Mighty Miner, and the last one is the Archer Queen. But well, I hope I can get more of the Skeleton King because I'm using it more often now. Well, let's start by opening from magical chest. Let's go. I'm gonna use the chest key because I got 10 and I didn't use it yet. So yeah, let's try to open it for the first one. I got gold, zap, rascals, skeleton barrels, arrows, ice spirit, giant, and kings. Nothing for the legendary, and that's all good. And then the next one, I'm gonna open this mega lightning chest. Let's open it as well with the chest key that I have. Let's go. I got gold, I got skeleton barrel, giant snowball, musketeer, fireball, guards. Oh, I got one legendary, I think. Cool, I got wizard, ice wizard. That's really cool. And then next one, wow, I didn't know that I can get the champion. Cool, golden knight. I think I'm gonna save the golden knight because I can upgrade it. Let's try to see if I can strike this one. I got 8 more strikes, so I'll try to strike another. Mega minion, that's good. Okay, I'll save this one as well. Let's try to strike this one. Cool. And then this one, last one. Okay. Cool, I got one of the golden knight from the chest. And let's open it all another royal war chest with my key. This is the arena 14 one, so it might get lower. Wild card again, the rare one. Yes. Oops, it's already full. Oh, I got the fish. Yes. Skeleton King maybe. Archer. That's good enough. I hope I can get the Skeleton King, but yeah, it's good. I'm gonna open the last one of my Royal War chest. Let's use my key again. Got gold, which is more because it's arena 15. Wild card. Another same thing. I think it's the same thing as well. Hey, I got the lightning. I got another wild card for legendary, and then hope I can get more of the Skeleton King. Let's go. Okay, no luck for the Skeleton King, but it's okay. I'm quite happy with I have. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.